Alright, let's see how fast this 62-year-old installer can get this room done. This is 12 by 15. I don't have a cameraman on duty. And I've got the entranceway over here all installed, so that's my set wall. See my good side. Take a few stretches, pull that tension out, make sure that's all nice and tight all the way back, because the bulk of your tension on your stretcher comes right here at the head. The further away from the head, the less tension you're introducing to the carpet. Pushing it down into the gully with the nose of my kicker, and as it tries to spring back, it hooks itself on the pins. I like to cut the corners myself. I see a lot of people installing and not doing that. But I do. Switching back to the widths, because the width is always harder to stretch. So I take all those length stretches, I'm definitely not going to get much off the width. So I do my width, length, width. So these stretches are all on an angle, which you can't really see from that angle, but I'm angling and moving the fullness up to this wall, which will be my final stretch. The length. I like to put a couple of overlaps on my stretcher tubes, 2 and 2 clicks, so that it's a little less flopsy, tends to waver less.
Big fan of the angle stretch, so this is again on a bit of an angle towards the wall. I'm pushing everything up into this far corner over yonder.
Well, let's bring you down over there. You can see the action a little better. So I did not stretch this last few feet when I did the width because I want that to be loose and give me a little movement as I come up to this corner. Because when I'm stretching the length, I'm getting a lot more movement. And I want to allow that carpet to move quite freely and give me a maximum tension to keep it beautiful for years to come. And I'll just finish off with the last couple of stretches in that corner. And I see by the movement of the piston here on the stretcher that I'm getting about 1 inch out of here. 1 to 1.5%. Or 1.5% of the length that I'm stretching, which is 11 feet. It's a little under 1 inch, or a little over 1 inch. I'm getting a little under the maximum stretch, but that's what we're doing. Now they're saying the 1 to 1.5% doesn't apply in the width. It's drum tight. You want to make it snug.
I usually have a pad bag opened up, laying on the floor in the room that I'm stretching. As I make my scratch, I'm throwing them onto the pad bag. Self-monitoring collection. So for speed, we're going to use our wall trimmer for speed tucking. And for this process, you want to go with the grain. John Steyer has a little video. He shows this process. You want to make sure you're going with the grain when you're speed tucking. My carpet is sweeping down towards the camera. So on both sides. I want to go towards the camera. Coming right at you. Okay. So, it's all in. Tucked and stretched. Whew, not bad for a 62-year-old guy. Let's see how you young whippersnappers are doing at 62.